Hello and welcome to today's Wiser Me Academy video. I'm Marlene from Client Support, and I'm excited to be here with you. Today, we're going to learn how to create a Wiser class. This process can make life much easier for our teachers, since it's possible to see the details of all the students and the average grade they obtained in all the worksheets carried out on our platform. To create a class, go to My Learners, choose the Add Class option, the name of the class, grade, and create. Once the class is created, you can always make changes by clicking on the pencil, which will allow to edit the name or the grade. Once we have created our class, we just need to provide our students with the link and the code. With the link to access to the class, we just need the students to log in using a name or an email and a password and paste in the access code. And they will automatically be in our class. However, sometimes it happens that students become pending, as in this case, where a pending student appears. As this example, we just need to click on the class name and approve the student by clicking on this check mark. And if we go back to the class view, the student no longer appears pending, but approved in our class. We hope you enjoyed today's video and learned how to create a Wiser class and approve your students. If you have any questions, you can always contact our customer support and we'll be happy to help. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and follow us to learn more. See you next time.